In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Galxe account. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to app.galxe.com and you want to sign into your account. And if you would like to delete it, I must warn you that actually deletion of your account is unfortunately not possible. So you cannot delete, change, or unbind the primary EVM wallet address linked to your Galxe account. However, if you want to use another wallet, you can simply create a new Galxe account with the desired primary wallet address. Okay, so here you want to go to the top right and then you can click on disconnect or switch account over here. So if you do a disconnect over here, this is basically going to log you out, and then you can just log in, click on sign up or use another Galxe account, and then you can just connect with your second wallet that you would like to create an account with. So unfortunately, as of right now, that's the only way. You can't actually delete your account, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.